In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $15,250 in commission just in one single month with Pinterest affiliate marketing. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. I will share with you a lot of methods that you can use to start making commission with Pinterest affiliate marketing. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share with you for free. I made this commission in the month of March, okay, from the first day of March until the last day of March 31. Okay, I will click on update so you guys can make sure it's not fake, and here you go. As you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, I made this commission just in 1 month, and I will share with you all the methods that I'm using, so you just need to copy and paste, and let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr like this. Okay, so first go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying good commission, so just click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Okay, it's super easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do next, go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, click on the search and search for Pinterest manager. Okay, search for Pinterest manager. Okay, and here you go, scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Pinterest. So you just need to choose a good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, I will choose for example like this one. This one is level 2 seller, 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Okay, let me see. I will click on this one, I will choose this one. So you just need to click on his service. Okay, and here you go, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, this seller has almost 20 orders in queue. Okay, so which people are buying this service? It's of course people who has Pinterest account. Okay, so people who has Pinterest account, they are buying this service. Okay, and as you can see, almost 20 orders in queue. A lot of people are buying this service. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have Pinterest account, go to Google, search for Pinterest. Okay, Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Make sure to open business account, not personal account. And did you know that Pinterest, let me show you. So after you finish, like I said, this will be your home page. And did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Okay, you can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. There are a lot of people every single day are searching for specific services, specific products on Pinterest. Okay, a lot of people are using Pinterest, and as you can see, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a really big number. Okay, so after you finish your sign up process to Pinterest, click on home feed, click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Click over here and click on his picture, double click and click on save image. Okay, you need to save this picture to your laptop. I will name this picture manager, for example. Okay, go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to Pinterest. Open, and here you go. You need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. So let's go back to this seller profile page. I will copy his title like this. Go back to Pinterest and put this title over here. Description. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, and this is about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I will copy this part. Okay, I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here. If you don't have this old plan, you can copy this Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same, and this one is even better. Okay, new plan is even better. You can get good commission with this new plan. Go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I will choose this one. So you have here keyword. You need to put keyword. Okay, so what you will do, I will put this one, Pinterest marketing, content marketing, and they will put Pinterest. Let's go back to this seller. So you can also go back to the seller profile page. I will copy this keyword, Pinterest manager. Okay, like this. I will go back, I will copy this one. I will copy those keywords. Okay, I will go to Pinterest and I will put those keywords here. You just use all keywords that are related to Pinterest manager. Okay, keyword that people are using to search for Pinterest manager. Okay, or to search for how they can grow their Pinterest account. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, this is your description, and that's how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. And as you can see, this seller has almost 20 orders in queue. Which people are buying this service? Of course, people who has Pinterest accounts, people who are searching for a Pinterest manager. Okay, and this seller has as you can see over here, orders in queue, and because people from Pinterest, they are buying this service. Okay, and that's it. That's how we can choose a profitable and good services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. And if you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day, so your account will not get banned. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links every single day and you have new account, your account will get banned. Okay, you need to start small. Start promoting just 1 and 2 affiliate links per day, After few weeks, then you can start increasing your services and start promoting like 3 to 5 affiliate links per day, and you can also start increasing your commission. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos. Don't use just Pinterest, you can use YouTube, Facebook groups, Instagram. Check my YouTube channel. I upload videos sharing with you guys all those methods for free.